Hey guys, so welcome to graphic design. We are going to get started with the interface, but before we do so, I want to show you guys how to pin to the start menu and pin to the taskbar the software that we're going to be using in this class. So first thing is we're going to come down here to our start menu, and here you can see I already have Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign pinned to my start menu. How you do this is you come over to your apps under A and find InDesign, and you can find Illustrator. If you right click on it, you should have an option pin to start. Okay, and you can also pin it to your taskbar. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pin that to my taskbar, and now you can see that I have pinned the Adobe Illustrator to my taskbar, and I also have it pinned in my start menu. Okay, so go ahead and take the time, go ahead and pin Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and once you have them pinned, go ahead and open up the software. For you guys, it may take a while. You've never opened it, so it could take several minutes before the software opens. So please be patient and wait for the software. Okay, so now my software is up, and so now I'm ready to show you guys the basic interface to Adobe Illustrator. Right now we do not have a new document started, so I do not have a white page or a background to work from. But we don't need this in order to go over the interface of Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so the first thing is, over on the left hand side here, these are your tools. Okay, if you hover, it'll show you exactly what the tool is called, and if you notice the letter in parentheses, this is the shortcut. So in this particular example, the letter A would get you to your direct selection tool. Also, if you noticed how this one has like a little caret in the lower right hand corner, if you right click that, you'll find other tools within the home tool that are accessible to you. Okay, so if I come over here and I right click, I can find these tools. So that's one way to find them, is to right click. Another way is just to come and simply left click and hold it down, and then you'll get a flyout, and then you can choose your tools. Okay, up here are your command prompts. So you have the traditional file, your edit, your type, select, effects, and as you can see, it's just a huge program, guys, with lots and lots of options. All right, Windows is where you can find your Windows control panels, those types of things, which are over here on this side. So over here, you might hear people call these your Dockers. You might hear people call these your flyout panels or windows, but they're located over here. And if you hover, again, it'll tell you what it is. All right, so here's my swatches. All right, this is my layers panel, my artboard panel. If I click that, I'll have a flyout menu. Right now, there's nothing in there because we don't have a document set up at this time. Okay. Now, how do you personalize your workspace? Well, some people, they don't like to undock these flyout panels. Some people do. Either way, I just would like to show you guys that you do have that ability, and if you would like to create your own personalized workspace, this is how you can do it. Okay, so for example, maybe you would like to have your swatches out in your workspace. All you need to do is, so this is my swatch right here where you see that bar right here. All you need to do is click on that, pull it out, and now it is into your workspace. Okay, from here you can do all sorts of things. Okay, I can do my flyout windows. You can see I can add tabs to those. Okay, I can bring it back, I can expand it. Okay, I can move this around. Okay, if I don't like having all these on my side, I could X and it would delete it. I don't want to do that just yet. Okay, but I can pull these things out. Okay, so maybe your toolbar. Maybe you want your toolbar out here in your workspace. Okay, a lot of people do. Me personally, I like everything just docked. I don't really like it in my workspace, but that is a matter of preference. Okay, so let's say you start pulling all this stuff out and you don't want this in your workspace and you want to redock the panel. All you need to do is simply grab it, come over here till you see the blue, and that tells you that you are locking it back into place. Okay, same with your toolbar. If you don't want it, just bring it back over here. You see the blue, that tells you that you are going to redock your toolbar. Okay, so one of the common problems or issues that happens is you will lose your tools, your panels, your workspace. Okay, if that happens, don't panic. It's quite easy. All you need to do is come up to Window, go to Tools, and find that default. It is actually your default Tools panel. Click that and it will reappear. Okay, and then again, all you need to do to dock it, bring it over, see the blue, and it redocks. Okay, same here. So if I bring this back down, here we go. Here's my layers panel. Okay, let's say I pull that off. Let's say I accidentally X'd it and now it's gone. I'm like, oh crap, I didn't want to do that. I want it back. Don't panic. Just come over, hit Windows, go down to your layers, click on layers, and it'll come back. Okay, you can, whoops, flip that here. We can grab it. We can come and redock it. Now you can see right now it wants to do a flyout. So if I hit that, it wanted to create a new bar. All right, but then it starts taking away from your workspace. Okay, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to pull that off, and then I just want to redock it back right underneath these icons. Okay. Okay, guys. So that is the interface. I'm going to pause this video real quick, and I will be back in just a moment. All right, sorry about that, guys. I had somebody come in and had a question. All right, so now I have basically ran you through the simple interface of this software. Please look at Canvas. There are 4 questions that I would like you to answer. If you need to play back the video multiple times in order to answer the questions, please do so. All right? Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. See you later.